This beanie told my shit bad, but she can't give half, so I don't snap back.
So I'm just going to go down here to system, trying to find out some information about this phone here. I'm always trying to find out information about this phone, it seems, these days. About phone. Phone name, Kingpin. Now, today, I'm looking for the camera information. Android Assistant should have it. It's got all your phone specs. If you go, this is a really good app to get if you don't have an app that, it's kind of like just tells you what all the specifications are. Now, you click on System Info, and it'll tell you right there everything on your phone. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you the camera. But, you know what? That wouldn't be too hard to get. Let me just tap into Google here for a sec. Tap into Google and search in what your phone is. It's probably right there in the no, it's not. Alright. LG G6 H873 specs. Because what's going on is my videos are uploading and I can't watch them. Because they're uploading such shit quality that I can't watch them on my phone. Here's part of the specs right here. There's 102 more rows. So this will give us all the information that we need. It's got a very fast, yeah, it is a good phone. It's got a very fast core processor. But one of the problems that I face with this phone is it has a little bit of a overheating problem. So it'll overheat and then it'll slow down a little bit. It'll become very choppy. Oh. It's got Corning Gorilla Glass 3, so it's not completely scratch resistant, but it's sort of scratch resistant. If you go into like 7 or 8, you're looking at army quality. Alright. Dual camera. It's not telling us what the specs are in the front camera, the primary camera. 4160 times 3120 doesn't mean anything to me. It's just a bunch of numbers on a page. Oh, there it is. 5 megapixels on the front. It's not great. It's better than a hole in the wall, but it's not great. It's got a 3.5 millimeter jack for the audio. That's standard. Okay. It's got a normal battery capacity, 3,300 mAh. Holds a charge pretty good too. Charges quickly, charges in about, it would take about an hour and a half, 2 hours to charge from pretty much nothing. With the quick charger. Even while in use, like that's, you know, that's good. I'm just having an off day today. I'm like, not like an off me day, but like, I'm not working today. So, I'm not busy at the moment. I'm just not. I'm not answering my phone. I'm not answering texts. I'm not replying to comments on the comment section. So if you happen to leave one and I don't reply, don't take it personally. It's not that I don't want to reply. It's I just can't. I cannot reply to every single comment. So if you want me to reply, try leaving a comment that I might want to reply to. Makes sense, right? Yeah, this has got military grade certified here. MIL STD 810G military certified against salt, dust, humidity, rain, vibration, solar radiation, transport, and thermal shock resistant. These other phones don't know what they're in for. It's available in Canada only. So if you live in the States, you gotta buy it online. If you live in Iraq, You've got, I was about to make a bad joke there. And then I just remembered who I'm sharing this with, so yeah, not doing it. So as you can see there's about 20, there's about 20 of them, different models and what have you. I'm not saying this is the best. I wouldn't know that. It's pretty good for 120 bucks though. It's heavy. It's dense. Yeah, so I'm gonna upload this. I changed the settings on Mobizen. I'm gonna upload this. I'm gonna check it. And if it's not watchable, I'm gonna scrap it. That didn't rhyme at all. I'm gonna check it and then I'm gonna watch it. And if it checks out, I'm gonna wreck it. Okay. If you like this type of content, you can always click the subscribe button, leave an actual comment in the comment section, and a like. Smash like. If you like phones, if you use an Android phone, smash like. My name's Andrew. But you can call me Kingpin. You can call me the Dr. Andrew if you're so humble enough to do so. You can call me the Doc. Peace out, yo.